The air crackles with anticipation. We are about to enter a manufacturing facility unlike any other. In the heart of China, a revolution is brewing. It is not a political revolution, but a technological one, a revolution on wheels. This is the story of an electric car. Not just any electric car, but one that promises to shatter the barriers of range anxiety. A car that can travel 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. This factory is at the forefront of that revolution. Inside, engineers and technicians work tirelessly. Their mission, to bring this groundbreaking electric vehicle to life. The atmosphere is electric, pulsing with the energy of innovation and ambition. At the heart of this automotive marvel lies its secret weapon, a revolutionary battery. This is not your typical lithium-ion battery. It is a leap forward, a testament to the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. This battery utilizes cutting-edge solid-state technology. It boasts energy density far exceeding anything currently available. Imagine a world where charging your car is as infrequent as refueling a traditional gasoline car. This battery makes that world a tangible reality. But achieving this level of energy density was no easy feat. The team faced numerous challenges. Traditional battery materials simply couldn't meet the demanding performance requirements. Extending the range of an electric vehicle to 1,000 kilometers presented a formidable engineering challenge. The weight and size of conventional batteries were major limitations. The team had to rethink the very architecture of the battery pack. Breakthroughs in material science were crucial. New electrolytes and electrode materials were developed. These materials allowed for faster charging and discharging rates without compromising the battery's lifespan. The team also devised innovative cooling systems to keep the battery operating at optimal temperatures. The engineers didn't just focus on the battery itself. They also made significant advancements in the car's overall design and aerodynamics. Every aspect of the vehicle was scrutinized and optimized to minimize energy consumption. This holistic approach was key to achieving the ambitious 1,000-kilometer range. The 1,000-kilometer electric car is not just a technological marvel, but a symbol of a paradigm shift in transportation. It represents a future where range anxiety becomes a distant memory. This technology has the potential to reshape our cities, reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, and usher in a new era of sustainable mobility. The journey to create this groundbreaking vehicle was arduous, marked by countless challenges and setbacks. But the team's unwavering commitment to innovation and their relentless pursuit of a cleaner, more sustainable future fueled their progress. The lessons learned from this endeavor will undoubtedly shape the future of electric vehicle development and inspire a new generation of engineers and innovators to push the boundaries of what's possible.